What's up guys, Sam is here. In this video I will show you how you can get rid of the app revokes. Your apps do get crashed after 7 days and this is really annoying, so you have to reinstall them, which is a really bad thing, and you lost all of your stuff. So yeah guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can protect your apps from getting revoked and crashes after 7 days. You can protect your Tweak++ apps and a lot more. Be sure to smash that like button before you get started. It really helps me and supports me. Without any further ado, let's just jump in. Alright guys, first of all go to Safari. The link is mentioned as always in the description down below. Make sure to open the link in Safari browser, not a YouTube application. Alright guys, just tap on this get button and you will get the pop-up. Just tap on install and it will begin to install extender on your device. So just wait for a while here until it's done. So guys, it will not show the download process. At least for me. So go to settings, then you want to go to general, then scroll down, go to profiles and device management or device management. Just wait for a while and tap on that. Tap on the profile, tap on trust again, and the app is now verified, so you can launch it now, extender. Once you launch it, just tap on this protect button, just tap on allow, and it will install a VPN. Don't worry, it's installed a VPN. As you guys see, the VPN is connected and it says you are protected. Now you are good to go. Your apps are now protected. If you guys go to Safari and scroll down, you see movie box, Spotify plus, all the plus tweaks and all the good stuff, the games here and all the other goodies as well. So yeah guys, you can enjoy all of them and they will not crash or revoke. So yeah guys, that's a quick little video. Please make sure to drop the like down below, as this really motivates me, and make sure to comment down in the comment section guys. Let me know if this works for you or you have any problems, and make sure to share this video around with your friends and family. As always guys, Sam is here signing out.